So okay, now we are going to learn what is union of two arrays. Let's try to understand what is union actually. So why do we union? Why do what do I meant by union? Union means just only write the similar elements in the both arrays. We just only write the unique elements. We don't write the duplicates. We don't write any duplicates. So let's just try to let me write this thing. So I say union array. Union array will be like I say one first for the first array. I'll say one comma two comma one again repeated. So I'm not going to write any kind of duplicates. For that, I'm not going to write any duplicates. I'm going to the next one. There'll be three. There'll be four. There'll be five. Then I'll go to the array two. As you seen here. Two is already in the union. Three is already in the union. Four is already in the union. Five is already in the union. Six was not there, right? So I write six. So this is union of two arrays. What's this is? This is union of two arrays. So okay, let's just try to implement in the code. Let's just try to know how we can do this thing. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say first let's try to see step one. So what I'm going to do in the step one, I say I'll take a set. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a set of int set. Why I'm going to take a set? So okay, let's see. So this is a set, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to iterate the array. I'm going to iterate the first array. So when I go to the first array, I'll say one, put into the array, put into the set. Two, put into the set. Two, put into the set. One, no, already, one is already in the set. So no, I'm not going to take this. Two, no, two is already in the set. I'm not going to take this. Three, okay, I'm going to insert it into three. Let's say I insert three into the set. Then next, four, okay, I'm going to insert four into the set. Five, I'm going to insert five into the set. Okay, first array iteration is over. Then I'll go to the second array. Then I go to the second array. Then I say two is already in the set. So I'm not going to take this. Then I go into two. Then I go to three. Three is already in the set. Then I'm not going to take this. Four is already in the set. I'm not going to take this. Five is already in the set. I'm not going to take this. Six was not in the set. Six was not in the set. Okay, I'll put it into the set. It's okay. Right? Okay. So in step one, what we're going to do is we're just going to insert all the all the unions to the set. Okay. Yes. Let's try to write a loop. I'm going to write a for loop first. First I say I equals 0, I is less than n, I'll increment. I say n1. I say n1 because why n1? Because it's we're iterating for the first array. So for that it will be n1. So I'm going to say for loop, right? So I'm going to say temp dot add array of array one of I. Okay, rice. Okay, for the next for the second iteration for the second array, I'm going to say n minus I lesser than n2 I plus plus. Then I say temp dot add array of array 2 of I. Right? Okay. So this is all. This is all. Step one is all. We have just add all elements to the set, right? We have all union elements to the set, right? Okay. What I'm going to do in the step two. So what I'm going to do in the step two. So it's simple. I'm going to take all of the set elements and insert it into this union array. Okay. Yes. Let's try to do this. Well, what I'm going to, I'll declare an union array of size of set set size of set. Sorry, my bad. Okay. of set dot size. Then union array size will be set of, then union array size will be the size of the set, right? Okay. Then I write a auto iteration loop of set, and I say union of I plus plus is equals to iteration. So what is happened here? I plus plus, that means the elements in the set will be inserted into the union, and when it will just add one element to this, then it should need to increment. You should need to increment and add another element to the other index. For that, we'll say I plus plus here. Okay. Let us try to analyze the time complexities for this. Okay. For the first array, right? This is the first array. The time complexity will be we go of n1 log of n. This is the second array. Then the time complexity will be O of n2 logarithmic of n. And what will be the time complexity for this? This will be, time complexity will be O of n1 plus n2. Why we are saying the time complexity is n1 big of n1 plus n2? Because n1 plus n2, because we're using an external set, right? We're using an external set. So it might going to take the time complexity of big O of n1 plus n2 at the worst case. For that, we say the time complexity for that is big O of n1 plus n2. Let's try to write the time complexity here. Time complexity is, for the first iteration, the time complexity is n1 logarithmic of n, and for the second iteration, the time complexity is n2 logarithmic of n, and then to insert the set to the union, and the time complexity is n1 plus n2. Let's try to analyze the space complexity. Space complexity is big O of n1 plus n2. Why n1 plus n2? Because we are using an external set here, right? We're using an external set at the worst case. So the space complexity is big O of n1 plus n2, right? Okay. And plus big O of n1 plus n2. Why big O of n1 plus n2? So why we use this? This will return the answer. So you need to tell to the interviewer, this is going to return the answer. So let us try to understand the solution for of sorted types. Try to understand of sorted arrays. So yeah, here I have the first array. And second array. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go the optimal solution for this. For that, I'm going to take 2 pointer question and use 2 pointer approach with this. So I say I pointer will be at first index of the first array. I pointer will get first index of the first array, and the pointer will get first index of the second array. So then what I'm going to do? I'm going to define a union array. The union array will be ID. It will be 0 by default. So again. So here what I'm going to do is, if the first element of the union should be smallest. So I say I'll take first I'll take 1 from the I pointer. And I'm going to move the I pointer. And then again I is 1. But I is 1, but we have already 1 in the union, right? We only take the unique elements. For that, we have, for that, for that I say, I'll move the I counter. Okay, I'll move the I counter. Then I is at 2, right? I is at 2. Then, when I say, uh, I pointer is 2, J pointer is 2, but, but I'd say, these 2 is in the ascending order, right? So we have first element, then I'll hit the second element. The moment I hit the second element, then I say I'll move to J pointer. Okay. Then I also move the I pointer to, okay. I said two. Did I insert two into the union array? Yeah, I should have inserted. So union should only union array should be in ascending order, right? This is pretty clear. Union array should be in ascending order. Okay. Two is already there in this. Already there in the terms of the pointer. Type 3. Yes. The alpha is 3, J bank is 3. Yes. We're going to insert 3. The 3 is now the Indian. Okay. I'm going to move the alpha and I'm going to move the J bank. So the J I is 4 from J is 4. Then I'm going to insert this. And I'm going to move the alpha. Right. I'm going to move the alpha. And I'm going to move the J bank. I point is 5, okay, point is 5. Okay. Then I'm going to insert this. Then I'm going to insert this. Then I will try to. So first iteration is over. First iteration is over. This now what I'm going to do. Should I stop this? No. I have to iterate the remaining part of this second add. I need to iterate the remaining part of the second add. Right? Okay. I put it, I go to 6. I check 6 is there in the array. 6 is there in the union. No, not it. So I'll say 6. I said 6. So this is how the union of two sorted arrays. Sorted arrays for the this is the solution for the optimal solution for the union of two sorted arrays. Then what will be the time complexity? So I'll say time complexity will be equal of n1 plus n2 plus array 1 plus array 2. Right? This will be the time complexity. The space complexity will be equal of n1 plus n2. Why the space complexity is equal to n1 plus n2? I need to tell this to the employer because because n1 plus n2 is going to return the answer. Going to return the answer. So always remember this. This is an important thing. Who's going to return the answer? For that we are taking before of n1 plus n2. So this is the optimal solution for union of this hyperlattice.